Cueto Estudio was created by Luis Cueto Ferrandis, an architect who graduated in 1971. Carmen Cueto, a 1993 graduate of art history, fine art restoration and conservation, and Juan Cueto, a 2009 architecture graduate. From the very beginning, Cueto Estudio was more than just a conventional architecture firm. We combine real estate development projects, and our team of specialists bring together a wealth of knowledge, such as archaeology, historical documentation, structural engineering, mechanical installations, domotics, computer graphics, and all this is built together as a global service company. Within the realm of architecture, we have covered many fields, such as major building renovations, from monuments pre-Romanesque to Roman, Gothic, Renaissance or Neo-Gothic, to residential buildings in Madrid from the 17th century to present day. For recent buildings, we have covered housing administration, cultural buildings, geriatric residences, sports centres, prefabrication and concrete industries. We have been members for 20 years on the Judicial Registry. Our work has encompassed a large part of the Spanish territory, and we have also studied new horizons in America. For the restoration of personal properties, we also cover paintings, wall paintings, easel and sculptures, freely or altarpieces. Cueto Estudio, working within the scope of architecture and real estate.